5 essential points to avoid costly plumbing mistakes. 1. Know your pipe's history. Identify the material and age of your home's main plumbing lines. Pipes, like galvanized steel, have a lifespan, and knowing they're near the end allows you to plan a replacement and avoid a catastrophic surprise burst. 2. Practice the gentle touch. Over-tightening fittings, toilet bolts, or supply lines is a leading cause of breaks. Hand tighten, then give just a quarter turn with a wrench. More force creates stress fractures and turns a simple fix into a full replacement. 3. Ban liquid drain cleaners. These corrosive chemicals can melt PVC pipes, damage old metal, and create toxic, hazardous blockages. They often make problems worse. Use a manual drain snake or a preventive hair catcher instead. 4. Locate and label your main water shutoff valve. This is your emergency brake for any major leak. Everyone in the household must know where it is. Being able to stop the water flow in seconds is the single biggest factor in preventing catastrophic water damage. 5. Address drips immediately. A small, persistent drip is never just water. It's a warning sign and wasted money. It indicates a failing washer, valve, or joint that will only worsen. Fixing it early is always cheaper than repairing the rot, mold, or pipe failure that follows. Thanks for watching.